The iXCC 30 watts quad USB charging station offers 4 USB ports for charging all kinds of devices. There is no more worry about lacking of USB power ports. 30 watts output power and 4 USB ports will give plenty of ports and power for all devices for an entire family. Or an office manager who needs powerful charging station for employees will find the 30 watts quad USB charger will be the perfect solution for the office. This 4 USB port 30 watts travel wall charger is a flexible, effective plus reliable charger. It is advantageous, effective, secure, user-friendly, plus compatible with many pill plus mobile telephone devices, including iPad, iPhone, iPod, smartphones, mobile phones, MP3, MP4 players, game devices, GPS devices, Google Nexus tablet, plus many pill devices. With top quality plus strong technology, this charger is essential have inside the house. Features: 4 USB charging ports, 2 ports rated at 2100 mAh, 2 ports rated at 1000 mAh, all ports can operate independently. 30 watts charging station provides plenty power to charge 4 devices at the same time. Compatible with iPad, iPhone, iPod, smartphones, cell phones, MP3, MP4 players, Kindle, Kindle Fire HD, HDX, Nook, Google Nexus, HP Touchpad, Samsung Galaxy Tab and most tablet devices. Brand: iXCC. Included with this listing. 1 by charging station. Our initial impressions on the quad USB 31 watt charging station by iXCC is that it is made of heavy-duty plastic that if dropped on the ground will not break. The design of the charging station is very nice, being a cube when trying to fit it in a suitcase or a cramped space to charge your devices. I give iXCC some points for creating a sleek design for something that could be in any shape possible. Also, having the USB ports being spaced out evenly along the front face and having space to plug in your USB cords is a plus. Talking about design, portability is somewhat the same. The charging station is a great show-what's piece when trying to understand the real meaning of portability. It is the lightweight of the product, coming in at 9.6 ounces. Plus, only having one cord that plugs into an outlet instead of a large chunky brick that takes up space. The charging station is good when needing to charge multiple devices at one time. The station has 2 supercharging ports and 2 regular USB ports. The charging station is really easy to use, just plug the cord into the wall and plug that into the charging station itself. The LED indicator lights up when the station has power. Then stick your USB cord into it and you are ready to charge any device. The size of the charging station is very practical when only having 4 USB ports to charge your devices. The 4 USB ports is just the right amount of ports for one person to use. The charging station is compatible with just about any kind of product that needs to be charged. The charging station has a controller chip that automatically detects the attached devices and adjusts the USB signal and power output to ensure optimum charging speed. You can get this charging station on Amazon for $15.99 without shipping. We give this charging station a 5 out of 5 because of the price and the portability of the product.